Hey my loves, it's been so long. I know I'm going to do a video explaining everything, but let's just get right into this video so that you guys can understand how I achieved this look in case you're from Instagram. I'm going to be using wire. This wire is like binding wire, so I just use it and I tried to make out the shape. This tutorial I couldn't have done without the help of Ellimacs SFX. I just used their tutorial and I did everything they did and I got this, this look. So I just got that shape with the wire. I twisted it. You don't need the wire too big because you're going to put liquid latex paste, and if you make the wire too big, the liquid latex paste will make it so heavy and you won't be able to wear it on your face. So I'm just covering everything in masking tape or book tape or whatever you know this tape as, and the next step will be to make the paste. So just make sure that you don't make that part too big so that when you make the paste you don't have something really heavy. I'm using my molding latex and I'm also using food coloring and a plastic container. What the food coloring does is to give the inside, because that's the inside of the mouth. It's a Demorgorgon look. I don't know why I didn't say that at the beginning of the tutorial, but it's a Demorgorgon look from Stranger Things. So yeah, I just put the food coloring in it so that it will make the latex paste red, and then when it dries it becomes really red instead of stressing yourself to kind of color it when you're done with everything. And now I'm adding flour, and this flour is just a cheap one from the market. I had it I sifted it, I sieved it more, sifted it, whatever. I made it even finer by myself. So if you have the opportunity to get the packaged flour, that will be much better for this step. And this is what the paste should look like. If you like, you can make yours not as thick, but I wanted mine thick. And these fake teeth are made from polymorph plastic, really easy. And I'm just going to go ahead and smear on the paste on the platform I already made. Looks like I'm spreading butter on bread. And I'm just going to smooth it down with some ordinary latex mixed with the food coloring, and now I'm just sticking in the teeth. You want to do this part when this latex is still wet so that once it dries those teeth stay in there. And now I'm just going to blow dry it and I'll show you guys what it looks like blow dried. This is what it looks like when it's blow dried, and you need a total of 5 mouthpieces. I'm so sorry I lost the clip from when I attached that to the face cast, but I just went ahead to attach everything to my face cast, which I already made from my face, which makes it easier so that when I wear the mask it fits my face, because this entire look is just a basic not basic, but just a mask. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like, and this is what it looks like here. I'm trying to test it on to see if there's any corrections. I have space for my eyes and my nose. I didn't have space for my mouth. So now I'm just trying to draw the shape of the Demogorgon's body on my body. I don't know where I would have gotten the suit from that the Gorgon was wearing. But I drew something reasonable on my body. I don't know, I feel I did. And I'm just going to go ahead and use foundation. I'm going to use eyeshadow, everything I can lay my hands on to just kind of get a decent amount of body looking suit looking body going. And this step is important to do before you put on the mask, because when you put on the mask you'll not be able to look down to get into details and all of that. Now I'm covering my entire face with latex. That's why I protected my eyebrows initially, because if latex touches your eyebrows it does not go anywhere to take the eyebrows with it. So that's why I put the latex cover on there first before putting this latex all over. And I'm just stretching the mask and making sure it fits everywhere. And then now I'm going to go into that my Morphe palette still. That palette has the darkest black I've played with till date. So that's I'm just going to do some minimal shading, and I'm just going to add some blood, and that's basically it, guys. Actually, I did the most of this work trying to make this mask. That was quite tedious, so you just know it's going to take a lot of time, and you have to be patient to let all the different types of paste you're making get dry and set properly. You know, once you're done with all of that, you're good to go. This mask, I still have it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I just kept it there. It's going to last a really long time in case I want to use it for, you know, an on-set look or something. So that's the pro about making a really good mask with really good latex. So now I'm just stippling blood all over the mouth, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.